and now I'm gonna do your eyebrow. It's gonna hurt a little more. And then you're gonna, yeah, but this is something that, the reason she's doing the eyebrow is because like around her eyebrow, like this area has like a lot of looseness in the skin, like right in front of the, on top of the brow. So when you just start developing this looseness, now this is an area where we cannot put Botox because this can totally drop her brow. So what we do is that a little bit of Ultherapy every year in this area just protects it a lot. Eyelid over here, no, that is that we can't. What is the pain level here?
It's probably a 7. Some areas are only like a 6, with some spots on the eye.
So again, right now the area, it's hurting her more because on the top of her eyebrow, this is just skin which is right on top of the bone. So it hurts a little bit more in this area. However, because through pain we come to glory, so then it hurts a little bit more over here, but the results are also faster. So she will see the fastest results around her eye.
Oh, good.
Again, this does not prevent the need for Botox. So because you know the Botox is like a muscle relaxer, this is a muscle tightener and a skin tightener.